Student, I am your host Ali Raj and you are watching Get Segment. The protocol is more secure method of data transmission than the protocol. The data packet that transfer back and forth between your browser and the website server are not encrypted with the standard protocol. This means they are in plain text, and if they were intercepted by an intruder, all the information would be readily visible. With GPS, all the data packets are encrypted using SSL or secure socket layer or less transport layer security. This means that the information contained within the data packets are coded and can only be interpreted if certain conditions are met. The actual encryption and decryption process is quite technical and beyond the scope of this course. An SSL can be created by installing a security certificate on the web server that hosts the website. A security certificate can be purchased from a reputable vendor that will verify information about the domain and registrar. If the registrant of this domain name is a business, then the additional validation documents may also be required. The verification process differs from each vendor, and more reputable vendors will likely require more information. There are also different types of certificates. A high level security certificate, it is also called the standard validation certificate, or even it generally takes the most time to acquire and requires the very detailed validation prior to issuance. This diagram offers an illustration of how the encryption process works. When a website visitor visits an SSL protected website, the SSL certificate installed on the web server automatically creates an encrypted connection with the visitor's web browsers. This is called the SSL handshake. When the connection is established, a padlock icon and HTTPS prefix appear in the visitor web browser. This generally means the site is safe to share personal details. Note again that there are several companies offering SSL certificates and some are more credible than the others. It is also important to make sure the SSL certificate is issued by a well-recognized authority before sharing the sensitive information. The SSL encryption is a 2048-bit encryption which is virtually unbreakable. That is the end of the video. In the next video, I will explain about SMTP or Simple Transfer Protocol. Okay, bye.
गेट साइटमेंट को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबा दें ताकि इस जैसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलती रहें।